Hi, I'm Albert Marin, personal recruiter with 10 Positions, Eden Hospitality. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our hospitality team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a dishwasher sanitation position. Some of the responsibilities would include ensuring the availability of clean dishes by bussing tables, washing dishes, pots, pans, and flatware, and resetting dining areas. Preparing dining areas and kitchen for next shift by cleaning and restocking dining areas and cook stations. Cleaning machines and appliances used in the kitchen, such as coffee makers, pots, pans, mixers, and etc. If you have a high school diploma or equivalent, ability to stand or walk for 8-hour shift and lift at least 20 pounds, willingness to comply with all food safety procedures, you can be a great fit for this role.
We're aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.